Musamseleku was the one who started showing Mangwabe and Makumalo that they are not important in his lives than Mayeni and Macele. Musamseleku was planning to have a wedding with his wives. Mangwabe and Makumalo, they will never have a wedding with the Musamseleku. Mayeni and Macele, they have the wedding at the first time. Maybe Macele in 2001, Mayeni on 2009. Makumalo and Mangwabe, they came in Musamseleku's life. They don't have any wedding with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku started to prepare Macele and Mayeni's wedding again. They have got a wedding for the second time. Otherwise, they don't have the wedding. That's why Mangwabe, she was very upset. Mangwabe was asking Musamseleku when we are going to have Umembeso. Musamseleku told Mangwabe that you don't respect me. He was not serious with Mangwabe. Now he is pretending like he is serious with Mangwabe because Mangwabe was threatening to leave him. Musamseleku was the one who started shows them. When it comes to Makumalo, Makumalo was forcing to have Umembeso. That's why Mangwabe started saying she doesn't want to have Umembeso with the Musamseleku. Musamseleku have got Umembeso for Mayeni and Macele for the second time again. Mangwabe and Makumalo, they don't have any wedding. And he have got another anniversary. You know that another anniversary for Macele, Mangwabe and Makumalo, nothing. When it comes to Makumalo's term, Makumalo was the one who was keeping forcing. We saw Macele cancel Makumalo's wedding because she was doing it for her second anniversary. Mayeni and Macele, they have got a wedding, Umembeso. So it was time for Makumalo to have her own wedding. Macele cancelled Makumalo's wedding because she knows that she wants to have an anniversary. Makumalo says it's okay and they attend Macele's anniversary. When it comes to Makumalo's Umembeso, it will be the problem. Now, Musamseleku doesn't like to have Umembeso with Makumalo. Makumalo was the one who spent her own money on that Umembeso. That's why you saw Makumalo, she was very hurt. Mangwabe doesn't want to have Umembeso again with the Musamseleku because Mangwabe is the kind of a person, she can be patient for a long time. Mangwabe was very patient for a long time, but she saw that when it came the two of them, Mangwabe and her friend Makumalo, Musamseleku doesn't take them serious like Mayeni and Macele. So Musamseleku now, there is no need to complain why Mangwabe doesn't want him or what. We saw Musamseleku with Macele, even he can post photos with Macele and Mayeni. With Makumalo, he can force Makumalo to be at event, but Makumalo, what I saw on that photo, Makumalo doesn't want to be with Musamseleku nowadays. Musamseleku was the one who posted Makumalo on Instagram. Makumalo didn't post Musamseleku. They were at that event. Makumalo posted herself with her friends. So sometimes Musamseleku have to fix that issue because sometimes when you are treating those people, you think that they are desperate. One day, those people, they will change. Makumalo and Mangwabe are very patient for a long time. Mangwabe started changing her attitude on season 7. Mangwabe always on mood. Guys, if you look Utando Nestembo season 1 to season 6, Mangwabe doesn't have an attitude with Musamseleku. To season 5, she doesn't have an attitude. But season 6, season 7, you see Mangwabe have got an attitude. Sometimes you can blame Mangwabe. Mangwabe, she is ignorant. Mangwabe, she was not ignorant. But sometimes you can get hurt that why your husband is treating you different. There is some of the words Musamseleku was discussing with Mpumelelo. Yes, we know that Mpumelelo can't say those words about Mangwabe's child without Musamseleku. Musamseleku was the one who says about Zenande. You understand? He was doubting that Zenande is his child. And Mpumelelo was asking Zinande like he is joking. That's why Mangwabe got angry on that issue again.